Let's create AI Clinic app using Python. We import Flask for the web framework, NumPy for numerical arrays, and RandomForestClassifier as our ML model to classify patient health status. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define training samples where each row contains 3 features: age, heart rate, BPM, and systolic blood pressure, representing a range of patient profiles from healthy to high risk. These are the target labels for each training sample. 0 means healthy and 1 means needs review, teaching the model which vital sign patterns indicate a health concern. We initialize a random forest classifier and train it on our dummy dataset so it can classify a patient's health status from their age, heart rate, and blood pressure. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML UI where medical staff can enter patient vitals for health status prediction. This route handles post requests from the frontend, receiving patient vital signs and returning an AI-predicted health classification. We pass the incoming JSON body and extract the 3 patient vitals: age, heart rate, and blood pressure, converting each to a float with a safe default of 0. We package the 3 vitals into a 2D NumPy array, matching the shape the model expects for a single patient prediction. We run the model on the patient's vitals and retrieve the predicted class, 0 for healthy or 1 for needs review. We map the numeric prediction to a human-readable label and a severity tag, warning for a concerning result and success for a healthy one, so the frontend can style the response appropriately. We return a JSON response containing the prediction label and severity code so the frontend can display a clear, color-coded health status to the user. If any error occurs during input parsing or prediction, we catch it and return a JSON error response with the exception message instead of crashing the app. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error output during development. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.